gymnast from the Glasgow Commonwealth Games, Ho Wah-toon. Thank you very much for being with us in the studio. You came in third out of 8 competitors in the men's individual vault final to bring home our first ever medal at the Games in this event. Tell us what that achievement means to you, Wah-toon.
After all these years of training, I have something finally to show for it. Yeah, even though throughout these years there's been ups and downs in my gymnastic career, and there's constantly a lot of doubt placed on me, maybe by myself or by other people because of my age, and because I haven't been actually winning any medals at any major games all this while. So yeah, I finally something to show for it.
Yeah, congratulations. Must be a bit of a relief as well,
yeah,
right?
It's a very good relief. Yeah.
So you're just back one day ago, and then you're back at work already. This is a little known fact, folks. You're actually Dr. Ho Wah-toon. A lot of people don't know this. You're a dentist working with the Health Promotion Board. Particularly, you work with children now, right? So how do you manage your time between work and all this training?
Work kind of ends at 5:30, so I start at 8 and end at 5:30, and then I head home, take like a little snack and a little rest, and before I head down to the gym. Yeah, I can't clock in as many hours as my teammates, so that's why I specialize in only 2 events, so to utilize my time more efficiently. Yeah.
Alright, but you're 25, a pioneer already in this sport, because I'm going to list out all your achievements, so you're going to stand here and listen to me while I do this. At 18, you were part of Singapore's first men's artistic gymnastics team. You remember that?
Yeah.
That was at the 2007 SEA Games. And then in 2006, you became the first Singaporean gymnast to compete at the Commonwealth Games, and now a medal to show for it. So, what are your future plans from here on?
Up next is the Asian Games in September. Yeah, so I'm trying to focus on that. After that, I'll take it one step at a time, because I qualified for the Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games before I graduated. So I didn't know how the work schedule would work out, so I didn't make any commitments for any other games after Asian Games. Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of training from now on.
Yeah.
Not much of a break, huh?
Yeah.
To Commonwealth. Well, what would it take to be, say, Singapore's first male gymnast at the Olympics?
That's a very far stretch, but it'll take a lot of, I guess I have to put in a lot more training hours, because most Olympians don't really clock in the number of hours that I do. Probably because I have a full-time job, and gymnastics is just about 2 to 3 hours a day. Yeah, but most Olympians gymnasts clock about 4 to 5 hours a day at least. So I'm quite far behind. So.
Well, any chance you could get, more hours at some point? You think you could get up work a little bit earlier later?
Yeah, my boss.
Yeah, we're going to speak to your boss about that, right? Well, anyway, teenager Aizat Jufri, who was in your team, managed to finish 6th in the same vault final. You took a bronze in at the Commonwealth Games. And are the younger ones, you think, looking at you now to share your experiences to help them along?
Yeah, certainly, because we train at the same gym. Yeah, and sometimes the younger ones, especially those that are still in secondary school, they don't really understand the coach, because they're from China. And sometimes the China coaches have difficulty telling them the things that they need to know. So they come to me for advice, especially in the 2 events that I attended. Yeah.
So you're like a big brother and a translator, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, surprisingly, you still don't have a SEA Games medal yet. And that's partially because gymnastics hasn't always featured at the SEA Games. But next year in Singapore, it will be there.
Yeah.
Can we expect perhaps more than a bronze medal from you in Singapore?
If I pick on the games, I'll give it my all. But yeah, I still haven't thought about anything after Asian Games yet. Still want to spend that time. But after this medal, I'm more encouraged to actually take part in the games.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm fast forwarding too much, am I? I apologize for that. We're just trying to see where you can go ahead. Tell us, how did you get involved in gymnastics?
I started at the age of 7 because my parents put my sister in first because she was afraid of heights. So after they put her in, they thought it was good exercise, so they put in me and my brother.
Alright, and then you became the one with the medal.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
But all 3 of us have gone to major games before, so
Right. Well done. What an achieving family. Ho Wah-toon, thank you very much for joining us on Super Sports 360.